want to learn a new skill and you start to scroll through YouTube tutorial, Instagram reel, or TikTok video to watch more content on that particular topic. And what you often notice is that you have a handful of coaches or guru offering free course alongside with those kind of content. So you start to ask yourself, are those courses really free? What's the catch? And how are they getting paid for this? In this video, I'm going to help you address all of those questions, given that we ourselves offering a free course, link in the description, to help people start their SaaS business, software as a service business, using GoHighLevel. So the goal of this video, guys, is to help explain in full transparency for anyone who's new here, the economy of the free course from the consumer side and the producer side. So we're going to start off with the first factor when it comes to the free course. Number one is affiliate commission. Oftentimes when coaches and content creators make a free course about a particular topic on how to set up or do anything, it's often required that you use a particular tool or software to actually achieve that outcome. And oftentimes there's an affiliate partnership between that software and the content creator. And what an affiliate commission means is that when a user signed up for that particular software or tool, the content creator get a portion of that, and it actually costs nothing extra for the consumer end, which is you, to actually sign up for it. So to help you really understand this, I'm going to tell you a very simple story so you get the whole point when I explain the other point as well. So for example, a content creator make a course to teach you to become a better cook. So in that course, they tell you to prepare a particular certain type of dish. You need a particular certain type of knife, right? And when you do purchase that knife, they get a portion of that purchase price. Again, if you were to go out and purchase that knife by yourself, it would cost you absolutely the same. The second point when it comes to the economy of the free course is that it's a done for you service. This is, again, not everyone do this. Coming back to the cooking course, okay? When you're actually watching the course and you start to implement what they tell you in the course, which you should be, and you find that it's difficult, sometimes it's just a lack of time, a lack of skill, or you're just not really good doing stuff by yourself. And then you can ask this particular course creator to further help you with extra help that you may be needed. This is what we call the DFY, done for you, or DWY, done with you services. And this is a great way for content creator or coaches out there to offer their higher service by starting out by giving a free course. Again, what that means is they are teaching you the same outcome, but the free course is normally where you have to sit down and watch the whole video by yourself and start to implement things yourself. And some of the time that works for some people, and some of the time that doesn't work for some people due to some constraint, maybe time, resource, energy, or attention, or all of the above. So oftentimes, if you do need further help, you can reach out to the content creator and ask them to further help you, where they can actually implement the whole thing with you to achieve that outcome, or just really hand holding you, or just look over your shoulder to make sure that you are accountable and actually achieve that outcome with you together. So the third economy of the free course is the trust bridge. Now that you actually consume that free course, you're actually investing your time and your attention into their content. So actually, to answer the question in the beginning of the video, the free course is actually free financially, but you are actually investing your time and attention, which is the most valuable resource in 2023. Once you actually consume a course creator content, you actually build a lot of trust with that course creator if their content is really good. And look, if the course is really good, it should be able to help you achieve that outcome on your own, or just a couple of milestones toward that outcome itself. So once you actually build that trust with the content creator, you automatically become a part of their community, which is invaluable to them, such as Facebook group, YouTube subscriber, email list, and so on and so on. So actually, trust me guys, is that they have every incentive to make that free course the best of their ability and like the best that they can, because this is going to be the goodwill that they're going to get from you. And again, it's not really free because you are investing your time and attention, which is the most valuable asset in 2023. So hopefully this video makes sense. If you are a consumer taking other people's free course, you actually understand now what is the economy and the benefit of other people creating this course. And if you are a coaches or consulting out there, you should be making a free course for your audience to actually build a trust bridge and build your community side. Free ebook and PDF and sheet cheat sheet, all that stuff, it doesn't really work anymore in 2023. This is the best way to build your audience, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching the video, make sure that you also checking out this content right there.